This will make my Valentine's, मतलब वो कहते हैं ना सोने पे सुहागा।
Well, it seems like you're very good at bargaining.
दिल्ली
है
की
ना?
लड़की
350 का है।
ज्यादा थोड़ी
समय के साथ
Wow.
साथ दाम भी बढ़ जाता
बढ़
है।
जाता
क्या बात है। तो आप बार्गेन नहीं करोगे?
जरा भी नहीं।
I like to feel like myself कि तुझे मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूँ? Thank you, 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 thank you.
लिंकिंग रोड हो गया, हिल रोड हो गया एंड लोखंडवाला मार्केट भी हो गया और आज हम आए हैं साउथ मुंबई की गलियों में at the Colaba Causeway for another exciting episode of Gully Fashion. So today we have the Mirzapur girl with us and that is none other than Shweta Tripathi.
How are you?
I am doing very well. Look at you. Stunning.
Thank you, thank you. If you approve it, that makes me very happy.
Thank you.
And please meet Hunky Dory.
Oh,
Yes.
that's a cute bag.
she's
just
my-
like you.
Thank
just
you.
like you.
Thank you.
So, by the way, keeping everything aside,
Okay.
तुम्हारा message आया था मुझे.
Yes.
And you said that you need some help in shopping. So, what is
Absolutely.
this shopping spree all about?
So basically, as we know, Valentine's Day आने वाला है.
Oh, yes.
Thought that if you could help me,
Mhm.
and I have not done this since such a long time.
Wow.
क्योंकि generally we are used to clothes coming to us or looks being set.
Mhm.
But here I want to explore with you.
Sure.
कि I want two looks.
Okay.
So Cheetah and I'm going to surprise him.
Aww.
And for me, comfort is very important.
Absolutely.
बहुत
That goes
जरूरी.
without saying.
Exactly. I don't think fashion needs to be uncomfortable. I don't
True.
want to be pulling or खींचोing things.
True. Something that's very you.
Yes.
So, we won't miss that aesthetic for sure.
बिल्कुल.
Welcome to Gully Fashion. I really want to know what is your fashion statement like? What's your go-to fashion statement?
One of the most important things to me is how your clothes or what you're wearing, even accessories or even shoes and socks,
Uh-huh.
is how it makes you feel. Because ठीक है बाकियों को क्या लगता है कैसा लगता है शो बट उससे भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी मेरे लिए है कि मुझे क्या लग रहा है. So that's why I like to feel like myself.
And most importantly, it should make you feel comfortable.
Comfort is supremely important, especially आजकल का weather जो कभी भी ठंड हो जाती है, कभी
है
भी
ना?
गर्मी हो जाती है. Something like that. Oh my God, you have such cute earrings as well.
Okay. I guess that's very you, na? हाँ, see?
Yeah.
I knew it. I knew it.
This is so cute.
ये तुम्हारे current outfit के साथ ही जा रहा है.
Yeah.
Tell us about your today's outfit though, and if you could just take a turn and show us your hairdo. Wow, that's really amazing. पूरी तरह 360 degree, it's cute.
Thank you. Thank you.
So do you still wanna buy or do you wanna like first go and check some
अभी
clothes?
देख लेते हैं पहले.
We have enough time.
हाँ हाँ. क्योंकि एक चीज मैंने रियलाइज की है कि इंस्टिंक्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
है ना?
लव एट फर्स्ट साइट बहुत जरूरी होता है बट ऑल्सो जल्दीबाजी इज नॉट गुड.
All right, I guess we are about to reach our destination. कहाँ गया वो शॉप? ये तो मतलब ये गली कभी खत्म ही नहीं
That
होती.
is true. It's like the magical gully जैसे
हाँ.
हैरी पॉटर में होती है ना. Those are the
Yeah.
lanes over there. So I think this is like that.
ये रहा वो शॉप
हाँ.
और वो रहा तुम्हारा
Yes.
टॉप. Oh, that's really cute.
है ना? I like the. ये
I mean,
fit आएगा
honestly,
लेकिन
I
वो
don't
भी-
mind this, huh?
है ना?
We can team it up with some nice flowy
Yeah.
skirt or I don't know linen pants.
Yeah,
भैया आप ये
yeah.
निकाल के दोगे इनके साइज में?
The first time I had come to Colaba, I was so excited.
कौन सा ये
तो-
पिंक वाला बोल रहे हैं?
हाँ जी.
हाँ.
So दिल्ली में I used to love going to Sarojini Market.
Who doesn't?
Exactly.
Who doesn't?
And Janpat. I used to absolutely love being there. यहाँ बॉम्बे आके जब यहाँ कोलाबा के दर्शन हुए.
Oh, so they
So that
have
also made me
one
very
in
happy.
yellow
दो कलर है इसमें.
Okay.
and they have one in pink, but I
Oh.
like the pink one
Yeah,
more
even I am leaning towards
because it's
pink.
more fun happening, very daytime.
True, true.
You're
See,
doing
आप
this-
देखो पहले wait.
How do you find this so far?
I really like it. Actually, that is also sweet.
पता नहीं
आ जाओगे find it.
Valentine के हिसाब से वो
Okay,
थोड़ा
ठीक है.
जा
Okay.
नहीं रहा,
Okay.
but I really like this.
Yeah, done.
है ना भैया आप इसका प्राइस बता दीजिए.
ये 350 का बेटा.
350 का है.
ज्यादा थोड़ी पता है, रिजनेबल प्राइस.
Do you prefer bargaining whenever you do street shopping?
12 बजे के बाद प्राइस बढ़ जाता है.
अच्छा 12 बजे के बाद प्राइस बढ़ जाता है
यहाँ शॉपिंग वालों की भी
सुबह का
मुहूर्त
टाइम है
है।
ना इसलिए कम।
सो ये 350 अभी अब इसके 12 बजे के बाद क्या है कि 12 बज चुके हैं
450 हो जाएगा।
ऐसे क्यों
450
लेकिन
हो
ये
जाएगा।
महंगा हो जाता ना अभी सुबह का टाइम।
ये कुलाबा का रूल बन चुका है।
समय के साथ
वाह।
साथ दाम भी बढ़ जाता
बढ़
है,
जाता
क्या
है।
बात है।
वाह।
ओके
तो आप ये फिलहाल कितने में दे सकते हो आप?
320 कर देना ऐसा।
320
आपका ना मेरा 300 सही है ना?
हाँ, 300 भी
300
नहीं,
इज
हाँ।
बेटर।
ओके।
चलो
ओके
ठीक
वाह,
है।
थैंक यू
300
हो
पहली
जाएगा।
परचेज हो
चलो,
चुकी
ठीक
है।
Wow, I like what we've purchased so far.
करेक्ट करेक्ट।
Next time हम
नहीं
वापस
नहीं, आप
आएंगे।
थैली मत दो
हाँ,
एक्चुअली।
थैली भी मत देना।
हाँ,
Actually, you know
हम
what?
अपना बैग
This has become like a ritual now. We
Yeah.
can end up buying a nice cloth bag, like a tote bag,
Oh, that's
and
a
then
good
we
idea.
can keep everything in it.
परफेक्ट। फिक्स रेट तो आप बार्गेन नहीं करोगे?
जरा भी नहीं।
फिर
Wow.
मजा ही नहीं आएगा। आप लिस्ट नहीं कर दो बार्गेनिंग। हाँ?
Well, it seems like you're very good at bargaining.
दिल्ली
है
की
ना?
लड़की।
तो चलो, I guess मुझे ये white shorts बहुत पसंद आ
I
रहे
like- I
हैं, है
like,
ना?
yeah.
इनकी साइज में मिलेगा? What's your waist size? 30?
30 हाँ 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 यार ये लगा के देखें। आई थिंक ये थोड़ा छोटा लग रहा है ना?
ना थोड़ा इससे बड़ा ले
Sorry.
लो। So when did you last do street shopping?
आई डोंट रिमेम्बर।
Yeah.
आजकल एक्चुअली ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग इतनी हो गई है
Uh-huh.
which I try to avoid. But yeah, street shopping,
So you're more like a add to the cart wali girl.
but not really because I like to buy from homegrown brands क्योंकि वो एक अलग खुशी होती है।
So you believe
और
in
thrift.
sustainability also.
100% or thrifting, like even this is from a place I loved it, and I think this is
Also talking about thrifting, I personally believe that good things come to those who thrift. So do you agree with that?
I totally agree because I think ये जो है ना कल्चर जो हमने स्टार्ट किया है कि एक बार कपड़े पहन लिए तो दोबारा पहन नहीं सकते। I feel it's so cool to repeat, style it differently.
Well, let's do some justice for your street shopping.
Yes.
और ये 400 में आप दे दोगे?
ये
इसमें
मेरा
थोड़ा
size
सा
आ जाएगा
दाग
ना?
है, आप बिना दाग का दे दो। I don't go with that term दाग अच्छे होते हैं। दोनों में बहुत 400 में ही दोगे? 300। अरे चलो सही है।
Thank you. आपका नाम क्या है? अहमद। Thank you अहमद। Even your look, I like it so much.
Oh, thanks.
This is so cute.
Oh,
you know,
thanks.
it's the little details that I enjoy the most.
Trust me, I bought these denim pants from Bandra railway station, right opposite Bandra railway station for 300
Oh, wow.
bucks.
What?
Yeah, and this is thrifted.
See, कौन कहता है कि फैशन महंगा होता है? फैशन वो होता है जो आप चाहते हो।
It should be effortless.
Exactly.
Okay, ठीक है, we are back at this place and let's just find some cool earrings for you and I guess we are going to go for that.
Yes.
Na? A
हाँ.
bit of pop of blue is doable.
These are so cute.
Looks very good. Yeah,
हाँ
sure,
जी,
sure,
है।
sure. No problem. है ना?
हाँ.
So we'll buy this. भैया आप इसका प्राइस बता दीजिए.
120 रख लो।
Okay.
ठीक है,
चलो
done.
ठीक
All
है.
right.
120, not bad.
Thank
So
you.
we are buying this. Thank you भैया.
Thank you.
Finally. So look 1 हो चुका. Let's go and shop for look 2.
अच्छा मैंने सुना है यहाँ पे ना एक सैंडविच वाला है
हम्म।
जो कि बहुत ही बढ़िया सैंडविचेस बनाता है।
Oh, yes.
So can we go there first?
Yes, I had come here a month ago
हाँ.
and this place is right opposite, so हमें cross करना होगा.
Okay,
So
great.
shall
great.
we make a run?
Yes. क्योंकि आधा तो मैं शॉपिंग के लिए आई, आधा बातों के लिए आई और ऑल्सो खाने के लिए।
Can't do without food. वैसे सैंडविच से मुझे याद आया your Instagram handle name बटाटा वड़ा.
बटाटा वड़ा.
Why बटाटा वड़ा?
So I feel जैसे आप चाहे वीगन हो, वेजिटेरियन हो, नॉन वेजिटेरियन हो या दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में जब खाने जाओ, आलू बटाटा will always find a place in your plate. And जैसे आलू हर चीज का फ्लेवर ले लेता है. So as an actor, that is who I want to be. That when you see me on screen, first you see my character, and then आप फिर श्वेता करो. Characters, I want them to look and feel different from who I am.
That's sweet.
Yeah.
Okay,
Is this
here we are.
okay?
Here we are.
New Purnima Juice Center.
Okay, so what would you like to have today?
क्या आप
Here's the
बनाओ?
menu.
Great.
सबसे बेस्ट सैंडविच बता दीजिए.
मसाला चीज चॉक्सी है, पनीर है।
चॉक्सी मतलब?
वेजिटेबल रहता ना बारीक बारीक चॉप करके आएंगे।
अच्छा।
कद्दूकस.
अच्छा कद्दू कहाँ? Oh my God, I've not heard कद्दू का in such a long time. Where are you from?
I am from Bombay. I'm a Bandra girl. Yeah.
Oh.
So we'll do the
चॉक्सी because आप कह रहे हो?
और
हाँ.
एक मसाला चीज.
Yes.
बहुत भूख लग रही है.
मुझे हमेशा भूख लगी है. You know, sometimes I have to focus. कि श्वेता.
Oh,
Thank
here
you,
it
thank
is.
you,
This
thank
is
you.
your मसाला
Okay,
की
lovely.
चॉप्सी,
Okay.
मसाला चीज,
और ये चटनियाँ कौन सी है?
रेड चिली, ग्रीन चिली एंड टोमेटो केचप।
Love it. I'm so
You are green chili.
oh, बटाटा वड़ा के साथ chilies are always good.
Okay, so let's dig in.
Cheers. वो गर्मा गर्म, बहुत बढ़िया भैया.
Alright, so while we are hogging, Shweta, are you ready for a quick rapid fire round? So, starting off with heels or sneakers,
Sneakers.
leather or denim,
Denim.
oversized or fitted.
Oversized. Because
Oh.
comfort.
That's true. Jackets or hoodies.
अगर चीता के then hoodies, and अगर मेरे then jackets.
Well said. Prints or solid. I guess I know the answer.
Friends.
This is my favorite. Favorite fashion city: Paris, Milan, New York, Mumbai, or Delhi.
Delhi.
अब
दिल्ली
Sarojini,
की
Jagpat.
yes and दिल्ली की लड़की हूँ तो अंदर है also because Delhi is a fashion capital
Mhm.
and I went to live
Oh,
Delhi
live.
yes
Okay.
So
So
I've
you have
learned-
studied fashion.
yes I did
That
fashion
explains it all.
communication
चलो सैंडविच खाकर तो मजा ही आ
you know
गया.
मेरे दिमाग में वो गाना याद आ रहा है कि तुझे मिर्ची लगी तो मैं
मैं
क्या
क्या
करूँ
करूँ?
because that is what is happening in my mouth
है
right
ना?
now
But you will come back ना?
100% I loved it
तो ठीक है चलो ये सब हो गया पेट पूजा हो गई. Now let's go and head in and shop for your look too. हाँ तुम सब ready?
done I'm excited thank you so much thank you bye
I guess हमें यहाँ dresses मिल सकते हैं. So let's hope for the best. Would you mind wearing a one piece?
Yeah, one piece is good. I do like this also. It's not loose, easy.
But that doesn't go with the Valentine theme,
That
na?
is true. I like this also. Again, not with
Basically, you like
Valentine's,
maybe you can just come back probably with him.
but that is true.
By the way,
Ooh.
tell us more about him.
He's my anchor. He's my favorite person. He makes me smile. He is my. वो होता है ना कहते हैं ना कि keep your critics next to you, close by. He is that.
He's the perfect.
But-
love का या arrange?
Love. In fact, love at
First sight,
fifth meeting.
fifth.
yeah.
Do you like all kind of?
ये बहुत ऐसा वो synthetic type का लेकिन
But don't you mind? Like if we can just go for a nice red.
too feminine for me.
Then there's this emerald green also.
अरे गोलू दीदी कपड़े ढूंढ रही हैं अपने असली वाली डेट्स के लिए तो ऐसा क्या है आपके पास जो हम ट्राई कर सकते हैं बहुत वैरायटी है ओके इंटरेस्टिंग
है ना?
इंटरेस्टिंग यस
इसमें
like
और
this.
कोई options है? No,
I like this
more.
yeah I like the cut
Thank God we are vibing
Yeah.
on this. Honestly, ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है.
Yeah,
It's-
and-
इस outfit का आप कितना बोल रहे हो? और last price बता दीजिए please.
ओके 1000।
इसी बात पर हम ये ड्रेस खरीद लेंगे 1000 रुपीज चलो ठीक. So we'll end up buying jewelry and अगर हो सके तो
Is that a United jersey? Can you please get
That
that
is-
also? Because
will that be for
Cheetah
you? Okay, cheetah.
is a huge United fan and I
Uh-huh.
think he'll be very happy with that. Okay, please.
Okay.
Because he'll be very happy. This will make my Valentine's. मतलब वो कहते हैं ना सोने पे सुहागा.
And it's in red.
It's in red and it's right there waiting for me.
Cool.
भैया,
कितना?
इसका दाम?
500.
ओके
Thank you. Thank you.
bargaining
Wow.
skills are doing really well.
Yeah,
huh?
that is true. That is true.
चलो ठीक है 500 में. तो मुझे मेरी आंखें इन पे गई है
Nice, I like.
है ना?
Yeah.
And this can actually be worn on most of your looks.
Yeah. This
Because
is
it's
again,
white.
हाँ. I think 5 number है हमारा.
5 number. Okay. Do you wanna
Yeah, I
like
think
wear it
मैं
once
इसके
and
ऊपर ही I will put it to my shoe and see.
okay. ये तो shoes है ना, shoes के हिसाब से तो नहीं. Maybe you just wanna remove your shoes.
Okay.
Wear it over your socks only.
Yeah. Perfect.
हाँ हो रहा है ना?
Yeah.
Price बता दीजिए. 500.
मतलब 5 नंबर है तो इसलिए 550. मतलब
400 का स्कोप है ना, उन्होंने कहा.
हाँ क्या बात है. I'm learning from the best.
चलो look 1, look 2 दोनों हो गए हैं. Shoes भी खरीद लिए तुम्हारे लिए and are you ready for the same?
I'm ready and before I get distracted by these beautiful things.
Uh-huh.
Because we started with a good quote, I
Uh-huh.
think we can end with this as
Buying
well.
a tote bag, okay, sure.
Be the
You
change.
want to see. These are all signs, huh?
Exactly. I believe in the universe, and the
Universe.
signs that I
Same,
get from
likewise, likewise. Well, on that note, I cannot wait to get you Valentine ready. And are you ready for the same?
it. I'm ready. I'm
Okay.
ready for all the beautiful things and the looks that you've chosen.
Ah, can't wait.
Gaga ready.
Yes, let's do it.
Let's do this.
What an amazing view, Shweta.
One of the things I absolutely love about Bombay, this.
Mm-hmm.
And thank you because सुबह shopping कराई, फिर amazing sandwich खिलाया, और now this is actually like the perfect date.
Anytime and always. Well, now it's time for us to get back and reveal all the looks that we have purchased for you today. So, firstly, we bought this cute top for you, which
Love
was
at
for
first sight. 300.
300. Then we bought these cute shorts for again.
Okay, इसका था कि fixed price 400, but we got it for 300.
Wow. These cute earrings.
Yes.
These were for
120.
120. Wow, not bad. ये आपके
Oh my
चीता जी
God.
के लिए.
Correct.
So this goes to him. 300 ना?
Yeah.
Great buy.
think हमने memory की इतनी तारीफ कर दी.
तो,
500. Okay, guys. Oh my God, I'm so happy.
This will be
with
your
this.
look too
Yeah.
for the evening. This was
Yes.
for around 1000.
1000.
Yeah, we are going to complete this with
मैं तो वापस
cute
300 ही आ रहा है
neckpiece.
दिमाग
हाँ,
में.
300 ही था, I guess. 300.
600.
600. Heels we got for 400.
Yeah.
But now it's time for me to style you up in all the looks that we have shopped for you.
Yes.
So are you all ready?
I'm getting inspired by your makeup also, which I love.
So let's do this.
Let's do this. And ये देखने के लिए अगर आपको मजा आ रहा है और आप अगर गागा से स्टाइलिंग टिप्स लेना चाहते हैं, then please subscribe to
Hotterfly.